Welcome to my new video. Our today's question is simple bank system. This question is very easy, and also this type of question is are going to ask in interview. So this is very important question actually. Okay, but this question is very easy. We just have to do what they are saying. Okay, so let's discuss the question. Okay, so you have been tasked with writing a program for popular bank. Okay, its incoming transactions. Okay, like bank initially they are given us balance array. Okay, so balance array is nothing but initial balance of all the customers. Okay, so there are, and like for example, for initially bank. Okay, so they are given us array of size 5, means we have 5 accounts. Okay, and these like 10 100, these all the initial balance of that account. Okay, means account 1 has the initial balance of 10, account 2 has the initial balance of 100, and account 5 initial balance of 30. Okay, after that we have to perform all these function. Okay, we have to complete all these function: transfer, deposit, and withdraw. Okay, and we have to return if our transaction is valid. Our transaction is valid means this there are two conditions. Okay, if the given accounts are between 1 to n, that's true. Means let's see, we have 5 accounts. Okay, means our n is 5, means if withdraw, we get the request from withdraw from account number 6, that is not valid, right? We only have account 5. Okay, we only have 5 accounts. Okay, so we have to, so this is our goal. Okay, so it between 1 to n. Okay, after that the amount of money withdraw or transferred from the less than or equal to balance from the account. Yes, this is also true. It is very obvious also. Okay, means if you wanted to withdraw, this withdraw condition. Okay, means from account 3 we have to withdraw 10 rupees, means there must be in account 3 more than 10 rupees. Okay, otherwise we can't withdraw. Okay, if it is valid, so we have to return a true, otherwise we have to return false. Okay, so we can simply start writing code because it's very simple. Okay, so simplest function is deposit, because we can simply go on the account number and we can simply add the money. Okay, so first we have to simply check if I initialize our n and balance. Okay, I already initialize it. Okay, now we have to check if our account is valid, means if our account is greater than n, that means we can simply return false. Okay, we can simply return false. It has to be valid in our range. Okay, 1 to n. After that we can simply we can go in our balance array, and we can go to our account minus 1. Why I am doing minus 1? Because this is 0 base indexing array, and we are consider 0 as a first customer. Like first customer initial balance store on 0th index. Okay, so if it is gives us third account, means it store in second index. Like this is the first account, second account, and this is the third account, and this initial balance is stored in second index, so we can simply minus 1. Okay, after that we can simply plus equal to money. Okay, anyway. Okay, after that we can simply return true, right? The easiest function is deposit. Okay, now let's try to look for withdraw. Okay, this is the example of withdraw. In account number 3 we have to we have withdraw is rupees 10, so we have to first check if our account is valid or not. If it is greater than n, we can simply return false. Okay, now this account is valid. Okay, if it is not returning false, that means it is valid. Now we can simply check. Okay, if in our balance of account minus 1, this money, like initial balance, which is like for example withdraw from account 3 is 10, so in account 3 there is 20 rupees, so we have to check if our balance, if it is greater than or equal to our money. If it is greater, then we can only withdraw. Okay, right, we can only withdraw. So how we can withdraw? Very simple, we can simply go on our account, and minus equal to money. Okay, so we withdraw the money. After that we can simply return true. Okay, our transaction is completed. Like our balance is not greater than or equal to our withdraw request, so we can simply return false. Okay, after that the last function is transfer. Okay, so the transfer, this is the example, from account 5 to account 1 we have to transfer 20 rupees. Okay, so first we have to check both accounts are valid or not. Okay, if account 1 if it is greater than n, or account 2 if it is greater than n, so we can simply return false. Okay, okay, otherwise we can proceed. Okay, now we have to check, we have to transfer from account 1 money. Okay, so we have first we have to check if, like in our balance array, we have to check our account first. Okay, account first, this is the initial balance. Okay, this is the initial balance. If it is greater than or equal to money, means transfer money. If it is greater, then we can simply transfer. So what we can do, from account 5 we have to decrease the money. Okay, we are withdrawing that. Okay, so we can go on our account, like balance of, we can go on our account and minus equal to money. Okay, so after that we have to transfer that much amount in account number 2, right? So we can simply transfer. So copy it, paste, and from in account number 2 we can simply add that much amount of money. Okay, and in our banking system also, first we uh, decrease the amount from account number 1 and then we add. Okay, so like in our transaction system, we don't add first balance, we first decrease the balance from account number 1, after that we add the money. Okay, and if our transaction is successful, we can simply return true. Okay, otherwise we can simply return false. Okay, let's try to run it. Yeah, it is running. Let's try to submit it. If you are new to channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And also happy Diwali. Like Diwali is over now, we have to work again. Thank you so much for watching.